Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Ryobi Backpack Blower is probably one of the most efficient tools for maintaining a pristine outdoor space. From clearing leaves in the fall to tidying up after a landscaping project, this blower promises to make your yard work a breeze. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if this is the right tool for your needs. Number 5. Ryobi 314618001 Pull Starter for RY38BP Backpack Blower. This is a genuine Ryobi replacement part. It's designed to get your blower started quickly and efficiently. You can trust its quality and durability. This pull starter, model number 314618001, is specifically made for the RY38BP 38 cubic centimeters backpack blower. It's a perfect fit for your machine. The package includes the starter housing, everything you need for a straightforward replacement. It's a complete solution to get your blower running again. The product is brand new and comes in bulk packaging. This ensures you receive a fresh and used part ready for installation. This is a genuine OEM Ryobi replacement part, guaranteeing the same quality and performance as the original. It's the best choice for your blower. For proper installation, please refer to your owner's manual. It provides detailed instructions to ensure the part is correctly installed and your blower operates safely. Make sure to check the compatibility list to confirm this pull starter is the right fit for your specific model. This will ensure optimal performance. What we like. This pull starter is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable replacement part to get your blower running smoothly again, this is a great choice. What people say. Part was a perfect fit. No pro installing, fired up with one pull. I was very satisfied with this product. The replacement part fit exactly like the original. Installation was easy and it worked right away. Fits perfectly. 5-minute install. No issues starting. Incredible product. Number 4. Ryobi Starter for Backpack Blower BP42, RY08420, RY42 PEMP. Is your backpack blower not starting? This starter is designed to provide reliable power to get it running. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. This starter is compatible with Ryobi Backpack Blower models BP42, RY08420, and RY42 PEMP. It's specifically engineered for these models, guaranteeing optimal performance. Installing this starter is straightforward. You can quickly replace the old one and get your blower back in action. The design makes it simple to get your equipment running smoothly again. This is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part, ensuring the highest quality and durability. It's made to the exact specifications of your blower, providing long-lasting performance. Don't let a faulty starter keep you from your tasks. Replace it with this reliable part and get back to work. This will have your blower starting up quickly and efficiently. What we like. This OEM starter is a high-quality replacement designed specifically for your backpack blower. It ensures a direct fit, making the replacement process straightforward. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install starter to get your blower back in action, this is a great option. What people say. Fit the product perfect, works wonderful. What a difference from the broken one. Fit like a charm and works like it should. Fit perfectly in every way. Mechanism lined up and functioned like a new machine. Number 3. R-yobi Blower Bellows Flex Tube Replacement. This is a replacement flex tube for your R-yobi blower. It's designed to fit several models, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. It's compatible with R-yobi RY38BP 38 cubic centimeters and Ryobi 40V backpack blowers. This part fits models like RY40404 and more, providing a versatile solution. The flex tube is also compatible with a wide range of models. This includes models such as 3080541129, 3108160015, and 309266005, offering broad compatibility. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. This ensures it's durable, compact, and strong, so you can rely on it for the long term. We are committed to providing the best service. For any questions or information, we're here to help our customers. What we like. This flex tube is made of high-quality, durable materials, ensuring a long lifespan. It's compatible with a wide range of Ryobi blower models, making it a versatile choice. If you have a Ryobi blower and need a reliable replacement flex tube, consider this one. What people say. Right off the bat, this flex fitting is way more flexible than the factory one. The material seems to be more rubbery like a car tire and makes me feel it should last longer than the plastic that it came with. This replacement blower Bellows flex tube is made so much better because of the materials used to construct it. It's a lot more flexible, which will last longer. This replacement Bellows feels much more pliable than the original, and still does after 2 to 3 months of regular homeowner use. Number 2. Ryobi Backpack Blower Flex Tube Replacement. This is a replacement flex tube for your Ryobi backpack blower. It's designed to fit various models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. This flex tube is compatible with Ryobi RY38BP and 40-volt blower models. It's a direct replacement for part number 580473001, ensuring a seamless fit. Made from durable, flexible materials, this tube is built to last. It resists wear and tear, providing reliable performance for your blower. Replacing the flex tube is straightforward. Simply remove the old one and install this new part. It will have your blower running smoothly again in no time. This replacement flex tube is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. It ensures optimal performance and extends the life of your blower. What we like. This flex tube is made from high-quality, flexible materials, ensuring it can withstand wear and tear. It is compatible with multiple Ryobi models, offering great versatility. If you are looking for a durable and reliable replacement for your blower, this is a great choice. What people say. This replacement flex tube for my Ryobi backpack leaf blower fit great. It fits perfectly and is extremely durable. Ordered this part and replaced the cracked one, and now I'm back in business blowing leaves. Number 1. Ryobi RY38BP 38 cubic centimeters backpack blower carburetor kit. Is your Ryobi RY38BP blower not performing as it should? This carburetor kit is designed specifically for it. It's the perfect solution to get your blower running smoothly again. This kit is compatible with the Ryobi RY38BP 38 cubic centimeters backpack blower. It's a direct replacement for part number 3080544129. Make sure this is the right part for your machine. Experiencing starting issues or a decline in engine performance? Perhaps you've noticed abnormal fuel consumption. These are signs that it might be time to replace the carburetor. Installation is a breeze. The kit is a perfect match and designed to be plug and play, making it DIY friendly. You can easily install it yourself. Need help? Our professional and experienced team is ready to provide quick responses and support. We are here to assist you with any questions you may have. What we like. This carburetor kit is designed for easy, plug-and-play installation, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. It can resolve start issues and improve engine performance. If you are experiencing issues with your blower's performance, this kit might be the solution you need. What people say. The blower is lightweight and easy to carry. It has plenty of power for blowing leaves and debris. The variable speed trigger is a nice feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.